Hello everyone! Welcome back to Grey Pot. Today let's make a popular North Indian dish with Indian cottage cheese and green peas which are simmered together in a luscious gravy made with tomatoes, onions and spices. Now this fresh green peas is in season, so you can buy these beautiful green pearls and try different delicious dishes with this. So here I've taken some fresh green peas and blanched it in hot water till it gets half cooked. Now heat a pan, add some whole spices into hot oil, saute it for a few seconds and then add in finely chopped onion. Sprinkle some salt and cook this onion till it gets golden brown color. Now into that add in some ginger and garlic. Here I've used the grated ginger and garlic. You can also use ginger garlic paste. Saute it till the raw smell goes. Now add in the spice powders like coriander powder, red chili powder, turmeric and some garam masala. Saute these masalas on a low flame till it gets fried in oil. You have to keep the flame on low or else the masalas will get burned. Now to make it exactly like the restaurant style, we're gonna add some gram flour. This will make the gravy really thick and creamy, just like we get the thick Matar Paneer from the restaurants. Now into that add in some tomato puree from 2 tomatoes. Mix it really well with the masala and cook it for some time. Just before adding water, add some kasuri methi and some salt. Mix it nicely. Now add around half a cup of water. Mix it, close the lid and cook till the oil separates from it. Now the masala has cooked perfectly, the oil also got separated from it. Now add enough water for the gravy. Mix it and bring it to a boil and then add in the blanched green peas. Followed by the cubed cottage cheese. Mix it and let it boil for 2 to 3 minutes. Add some chopped fresh coriander leaves. Finally add some fresh cream. Turn off the flame and our delicious restaurant style Matar Paneer is ready. It tastes best with white rice, naan, chapati and fulka. So definitely try out this recipe. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot and watch more amazing videos from our channel. Thank you.